Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're going to see how to install VirtualBox. You go to your browser, search for VirtualBox, then in the first option here you just click on, you can either click here or click on downloads. Click on downloads. After that it's going to take us to this home page, VirtualBox home page, and you're going to choose according to your machine. If you're on Windows, according to your OS, if you're on Windows, you choose Windows host, Mac OS. If Linux, you choose for Linux distribution. As me, I'm in Windows, I will just click here on hosts. It is going to automatically download for me VirtualBox for Windows. As you can see, it has been added there. If I check, you're going to see VirtualBox is here downloading. Then after downloading VirtualBox, also we have to download what we call extension pack. This one here, you have to download this one here. All supported platforms, you download extension pack for VirtualBox as well. After downloading that, as you can see here, if I go to my downloads, you're going to see VirtualBox is downloading, but I've already downloaded it. As you can see here, extension is here, and if I go here, you're going to see Oracle VirtualBox extension pack, and Oracle VirtualBox is here. So I'm going to stop this one here, cancel. After downloading it, we can go to, you can double click here, or you can just open the folder to show where it is, but I'm just going to double click. As you can see, this is our installation wizard. Our installation wizard is here. Install VirtualBox, you just click next. Here, next, you don't have to change anything, just next. Okay, yes. After that, you just click on install. Finish. Like that, VirtualBox is installed in our machine. As you can see, we have VirtualBox. It is here. Oracle VirtualBox. Double click to open. Here you go. VirtualBox installed in our machine. Thanks for watching.